What's up? It's Rocko here, guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency price prediction for 2018. We're going to look at a key date and an event which has got the potential to make cryptocurrency and Bitcoin bounce back and go on that bull run that we've all been waiting for in 2018. The market haven't really recovered since it crashed in January and February, so we're all waiting for that bull run. So we'll talk about that event. Also, at the end of this video, guys, I'll talk about a conspiracy theory. We all love conspiracy theory, so watch the video till the end to find out. Also, I'd just like to say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. In this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency news, ICOs, new coins, investment tips, technical analysis, and everything cryptocurrency related to keep you guys safe in the crazy world of cryptocurrency and internet of money. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, just scroll down, click that button. It only takes a second and it would mean a lot to me. The event that I'm talking about is Consensus. If you guys don't know what it is, Consensus is a annual blockchain technology summit. It's held in May. It's held by Coindesk. Coindesk is a great website. I'll get most of my news from Coinbase. They're a brilliant website to follow. So what is blockchain technology summit Consensus? It's one of the biggest networking events where people from all around the world gather. Like it says, the leading in industry, startups, investors, financial institutions, enterprise tech leaders, academic, policy groups. So very important event for blockchain and cryptocurrency. Last year, guys, you can see CEO of Coinbase, Fidelity Investments, IBM, very important people attended this event, and this year it's happening in May again. Let's just find out, guys, some of the people attending. You can see who's attended, some of the key investors, enterprises and industries. The key people in our industries been attending and discussing. I wish I could have attended this event because I'd get to meet people about cryptocurrency and blockchain, which I love doing. So I'd love to have gone to this event. And some of the speakers as well, guys, the very important people in this world would be talking about at this event. So I wish I could have gone to this event. Next year I'd plan better too, so that I can attend this event. So this was last year, guys, and let's have a look at what happened last year when this happened. So the event happened in May, and if you guys have followed me, guys, and if you follow financial markets, you know that people always talk about buy the news, sell the rumors. So price doesn't, if an event happens in May 10th, it doesn't mean the price will go up in May the 10th. It usually go up before the speculation beforehand, and people react to it beforehand. And history always repeats itself, because it's human beings that trade. We always FOMO. We've always got the same feeling, same way of working. Some people are smarter than us, some people are not, but usually humans, we always let history repeat itself. So let's have a look, guys. In April it was about 29-30 billion, the market cap. And I'm looking at the market cap, guys, but Bitcoin usually drives the market. If Bitcoin goes up, cryptocurrencies go up. Bitcoin goes down, cryptocurrencies goes down. So this chart would look very similar to Bitcoin, but I'm looking at the market cap. So it was 30 billion before May, in April time, and it went up, as you can see, massively. It almost doubled, tripled, almost went up to 90 billion. So again, am I saying it's going to repeat itself? I don't know, but history always tends to repeat itself. If you look at what happened at the start of 2017, same thing happened, guys. It crashed twice. Like it crashed in January and February. And if you look at what happened this year, start of this year, it crashed again. I took some money out, but I didn't take as much money out. I wish I had taken more money out, but you can see that what happened. And since then, guys, it's dipped again, and it's consolidating. It's quite range bound now, Bitcoin. It hasn't really done much in the last couple of months, couple of weeks. So we'll see what happens, guys. So but this event could have a massive impact on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies again. So let's have a look a bit more in detail about what this event is in 2018. In 2018, it's happening on the 14th and the 16th. Although they talk about technology a lot more, about blockchain and the future of blockchain, I think this event comes down to, a lot of it is about, finding investments. A lot of the coins are going to go to this event. Some of the cryptocurrencies that invest in, the cryptocurrency companies are going to go to this event. They're going to meet the investments, the institutional money people, the people with a lot of money, the big whales, as we like to call them. And they like to get investments. If a whale go to this event, finds a coin really interesting, he might put a lot of his money in. And as you can see, guys, some of the V chains, the Ripple, Quantum, some of the some of the people got involved with this event is massive. So attendance, guys, as you can see, a lot of people will be going to this event. Some of the industries that's involved with this event, regions, guys, Asia, Australia, North America, all around the world, guys. Attendance level, again, we saw went up 3 times last year. This time, twice the amount of people are going to this event. So potentially, is it going to rise 3 times again? We don't know. It's a completely different market to before, so we don't know what's going to happen. I'll advise you guys to take some time and go through this, because there's some very good information about this event, and next year I'd love to go to this event. So this year these are the speakers, guys. Again, I'd love to have heard some of these people speak and interact with some of these people, because they're the key people in the industry. So sponsors, guys, again, Deloitte. So these are this year's sponsors, guys. Some very big name are sponsoring this event. Hackathon, guys. I don't know if you guys know about Hackathon. It's like a coding. It came from a coding industry. People would just sit for hours and days to try and solve a problem. I've taken part in a different sort of hackathon, and it was quite interesting. So it's very good event for innovation. So how much does it cost to go to this event? It costs you upwards of £2 to go to this event. If you're a student, it's slightly cheaper, but you can imagine, people of the street anyone can go to this event. People with money can. Again, it's not that expensive, but still, people with money will go to this event. Next year, I'd love to go to this event, but this year I won't be able to, because it's in a different part of the world for me. So key people will be going to this event with a lot of money, and if they invest their money in the cryptocurrency markets, the prices will go up. So that's the money that it matters. Institutional money matters. Our pennies or pounds, a few dollars, don't really affect the market as much. It's their money that affects the market massively. So I'm going to quickly go through these prospectus, guys. You can download it through their website. It just gives you more detail. Some of the things that I've already talked about, it just shows you a bit more detail. Again, I just want you to look at these sponsors, guys. Deloitte, Microsoft, EOS, IBM, Nasdaq, Ripple, Dash. um, it's really very good event for cryptocurrency. You can imagine some of the good networking that some of the coins would be able to do. So Bitcoin website, Coinbank, Economy, Open Ledger, Santander, Shapeshift, Toyota, Ernest and Young, is that EY, Ernest and Young. So again, guys, some brilliant companies. You can see how much it costs for sponsorship, guys. It tells you a bit about this event, how important this event is. People are paying crazy money for sponsoring this, going to this event, having booths and roundtable sessions. They want to meet as many people as they can, because you can imagine, if they get one investment of 10 million from a key investor, that could change their lives. And I'm not just saying that in a negative way, guys. With that money, they could develop the technology a lot, because they need money to develop it. So good money could come into this crypto market space, which could help us in the future developing more and more. So you can imagine coat and luggage check how much the sponsorship cost for that. Hackathon sponsors, so they're making a lot of money, just people paying for sponsoring, guys. Pre-conference exposure is just sponsoring. You can imagine the amount of money they're making, and if people are paying for it, you can see people wouldn't pay for something that wouldn't help them. They know how much their money is important for them. The cryptocurrency companies and people sponsoring them, they know the importance of the money and how it could change their future, so they're paying the money. So yeah, I'll just advise you guys to take through it. And again, I'd just love to hear your feedback. What do you think? Is it actually going to go up? I've done some analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies lately, talked about my predictions and what can happen. I've done some technical analysis, although I don't like talking about technical analysis as much. I've given you my technical analysis, and since it's crashed, guys, it's kind of been consolidating. It's been quite range bound. So next few days and next couple of weeks are really important for Bitcoin. It could tell us whether it's going to go up massively to all-time highs, but 12 grand, 9 grand, or whether it will form a double bottom at 6 grand. Some technical analysis are predicting 4 grand. Some people are talking about death cross. I've made previous videos, so I'm not going to go into detail. So we're going to find out what happens. But I think, again, 2018 overall is going to be a great year for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. I've got concerns about Ripple, but it's going to be great for cryptocurrency markets, and we are waiting for a bull run. It just depends on. There's been a lot of news with regulation news. Again, some regulations are good, but there's been a lot of fraud around cryptocurrencies and bans around cryptocurrencies, which has kind of affected us. But it could, I think 2018 is going to be a good year. So maybe you've been waiting for this bit, guys. I'm going to talk about my conspiracy theory. It's not my conspiracy theory. I've been talking to people on social media and in real life about it. So my conspiracy theory, guys, is when the market goes up massively, whales take their money out. So last year in December, a lot of money came into the market. You know, whales are investing a lot of money, so that's when it went up massively, and it created FOMO. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry were talking about cryptocurrency. It was on the news, and everyone was just investing, and that's caused that massive, crazy price increase. And then the whales took their money out, and now they're trying to push the price down as low as they can. So they want it to go to probably 4 grand. So the lower it goes, the more bitcoins they get. So the whales, the conspiracy theories, institutional money, the big whales, they plan all the FUD and bad news that come out to to put the price down and get all the weak hands to sell their coins. They want to take all our bitcoin because bitcoin is going to be huge in the future. So they want us to sell our bitcoins, and they want to get more bitcoins. They want to push the price down, and then once it goes down to the least amount that they can, so maybe 3 grand, 4 grand, 6 grand, whatever that is, that's when their money comes in, all the positive news comes out, bitcoin, cryptocurrency goes flying high, and poor people like us, normal citizens of the world, don't get anything. Again, that's just my conspiracy theory, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about it? Do you think I'm crazy? Do you think it's the truth? It could happen. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this conspiracy theory, guys. So yeah, I'd just like to please leave comments below, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think about this price prediction, this event, about consensus, and just your thoughts in general. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, guys. It helps show this video to more people and help more people, so it gives exposure to this video. So I'd really appreciate if you smash that like button and subscribe it with your friends, family, and share it with your friends. You know, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends on social media, Twitter, face to face, word of mouth, whatever. I don't mind, just share it with your friends. And again, if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you many more videos about cryptocurrency news, trading tips, trading signals, and breaking news just like this, and price predictions, and all the cryptocurrency news that you can have. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.